Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we have English subject and you can see on your screen, you can see there sentences with U sound. You can see we are going to learn today sentences and that is with U sound, U vowel sound. Okay, are you ready? Read aloud, read aloud. You can see the pictures and with these pictures it is written sentences. Let's read. The cub is on the rug. You can see THE. The CUB. Cub. Is on. THE. The RUG. Rug. The cub is on the rug. Okay, this is the sentence. So see the next sentence now. You can see in the picture the cub is sitting on the rug. You can see this is rug and this is cub. The cub is sitting on rug. The cub is on the rug. See the next sentence and picture. See this picture and see what is written here. The sun is up. You can see sun here. The sun is up. Why it is written here up? Because you can see the sun is up in the sky. You can see the sun is up in the sky. So the sun is up. THE. The SUN. Sun. is UP. Up. The sun is up. Okay, you can see also here in the picture. Now see the next sentence and next picture. You can see this picture. In this picture there is a hut and there is a cub. The cub is in the hut. What is the sentence here? The THE. The CUB. Cub. is INN. The HUT. Hut. The cub is in the hut. You can see the cub is in the hut. This is hut and this is cub. The cub is sitting in the hut. Okay. Now see the next picture and next sentence. See here. What is this? This is cub and this is mug. Okay. Mug. The cub is near the mug. You can see the sentence. What is written here? THE. The CUB. Cub. is NEAR. Near. THE. The MUG. Mug. The cub is near the mug. You can see the cub is very near to this mug. So the cub is near the mug. So these all sentences are with U vowel. You can see in this all sentences you can find U vowel. So we have an activity also children we will do. We have to circle the U vowel word. U vowel letter. Okay. Are you understand? Are you getting me? We have to circle only U letter. Okay. Ready? Let's do it. See here in this first sentence, we have to see where is U vowel. In which word we can find U vowel. And we have to circle that. Okay. Here THE. The. Can you see U vowel here? No. CUB. Cub. In this word, can you see U? Yes. Here in the middle, we can see U vowel. So, circle this. Okay. Circle. Is on. THE. The. In these words, can you see U vowel? No. There is no U letter. RUG. Rug. In this rug, we can see U letter. So, circle this word. Okay. See the second sentence now. Next sentence. The sun is up. See here in the sun also we can see U letter. Circle this. SUN. Sun. Okay. And here is up, up. We can see for in the up word also you can see u vowel. So circle this. Okay. See the next sentence. The cub is in the hut. In this the, can you see letter U? No. In this word cub, we can see letter U. C-U-B, cub. So here, the cub word, we have to circle this cub word. Okay. In the next, see here is, can you see U here? No. Here? No. Here? No, no, no. Can you see U here? Yes. H-U-T, hut. In this word hut, we can see U vowel. So, circle this hut. Okay. Now, see the next sentence. What is this? The cub is near the mug. So, here in the, can you see letter U? No. Here in cub word, can you see letter U? Yes. C-U-B, cub. So, here letter U. So, we have to circle this like this. Okay. See the next word. What is here? This is. Can you see U letter? No. Near. Can you see U letter? No. The. Can you see U letter? No. Can you see U vowel? No. See the next word, M-U-G, mug. Here in this word, we can find vowel U. So, circle this. Okay. So, the same you have to do at home. Your homework, you have to circle only U sound words. Okay. Thank you all.